This is the Ford Ranger that we've been using as a donor vehicle. You can see we had to lift it up to get the filler neck off of, which was very useful. I think it was useful. We're going to use this back window, I think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the whole back of the cab off, straight across there, hopefully. And then we'll trim it down, you know, in the shop once we figure out what all we need. I gotta figure out how to get these. I gotta take all the plastics apart, I guess, so I can see what's back here and what I need to cut around. I wish these seats leaned a little further forward. I hate that, you know, you end up having to disassemble the whole thing to take it apart. Try not to make a mess of it, but I'm also trying not to spend all day cutting. I wish I had like one of those big abrasive chop saws and I could just walk. And a torch, you know, I'm gonna catch all that stuff on fire. So anyways, I will try and show you some of it, but it's just me. It's hard to record what you're doing. I guess I could get my tripod. I gotten real lax about some things because I usually have somebody helping me. One of the reasons no one wanted this Ranger, aside from transmission problems, was the awful swampy smell. It looks like it was infested with these stinky bugs. I mean, they're all up in it. So anyways, I've got it stripped. I'm ready to cut the metal. We're gonna use, oh, the neighbor's got his mini bike out. We're gonna use the shears, not because they're the best tool, but because they really get the work done quick. If you're careful and don't break them, they can last a long time. You got to be careful about what you cut. I think we're gonna cut right on that line there. I'll drill here, and then I should be able to just cut right across there, and that'll give me a good start. I'm probably gonna have to cut across here, and then probably have to go up a bit and then lop it off, something like that. Well, let's just see how it goes. That was good. Look, it got all the way over. Let's try and duplicate that over here. Go around the corner if we can. And we might as well just keep on. Well, I think that's as far as we go. It ain't too bad. I guess we'll probably do the roof too. We'll just cut right across. That's probably big enough. Let's hope. This might be harder than I thought. Come on, cutter. And it's a no. So the inner and outer get glued together there. I think we're gonna be sawzalling from here on in. Okay, more tools, because the answer is always more tools. Evicted. I'm pretty sure that counts as a legal eviction notice if you're a stink bug. All that vibrating. Jeez. Lovely. Okay. Are we ready? Let's see if we can get through here. Right about now, some of you are going to say, Kim, why didn't you just put a slant 6 in the Ranger? Because Mopar. Bang! Check it out. It is officially in 2 pieces. We're back there. We're gonna have to go high, right about here. We'll go do the other side. We're gonna have to support it in some way here. I'm not sure what I'm doing, guys. Seems to be working out. Anybody wants a terribly paying job as a camera person, anyone's looking for an internship, that it will charge you a very minimal price for your lodging and food, and then you get to be here and hold the camera. Heck, I'll even let you hold the saw. Against my better judgment, just gonna keep on going. Okay, that's free. Now it can only break in a way that I don't want it to. See if we can lean this down. Oh, do we have any wires or anything? Not that they're gonna bother us. Got a wire. There we go. Oh boy! There we go. Okay. Da-da! Okay, that's it for this work session. I gotta put all this stuff away, and then Buffalo Campo will be with me in a little bit here, and we'll see if we can't jigsaw puzzleate this into a useful piece for the Valiant build.